So I am here with my boy Taco. My Indonesian King Cobra. Sumatra and locale. Right now he's nice and chunky from a ball python that he had yesterday. So it was about a good 3 foot or so python. See, nice and thick. But I'm not gonna mess with him too much, just because again he did just eat yesterday, so I'm not gonna try to like stressing him out too much. He hasn't regurgitated a meal since he was a lot younger, but those were just due to like it being way too hot inside the enclosure. Outside of that, he hasn't yet to regurgitate a meal. But like I said, he's a beautiful boy.